Another day, another story. Chat GPT is a powerful language model that can be used in a variety of ways to assist with work, school, and education. Here are a few examples of how you can use Chat GPT. Writing essays. You can use Chat GPT to help you generate ideas for your essay and to compose a rough draft. Simply provide the model with a prompt or topic, and it will generate text that you can use as a starting point for your essay. You can also use the model to proofread and edit your work, by providing it with your essay and asking it to suggest improvements or corrections. Research assistance. Chat GPT can be used to help you find information on a specific topic. Simply provide the model with your topic and it will generate a list of relevant sources and information that you can use for your research. Study aid. Chat GPT can also be used to help you study for exams. You can provide the model with a list of terms or concepts that you need to know, and it will generate a summary of the information for you to review. Note-taking. You can use Chat GPT to help you take notes during a lecture or meeting. Simply provide the model with the key points or takeaways from the conversation, and it will generate a summary of the information for you to review later. Language learning. Chat GPT can be used to help you improve your language skills. You can provide the model with a sentence or phrase in the language you are learning and it will generate a translation or a definition for you. Please note that Chat GPT should not be used as a replacement for human interaction and critical thinking. The generated text should be reviewed, edited and fact-checked before being used. It is a tool to help you, not to replace you. Thanks for watching.